Welcome to today's video about top 7 ways to shrink enlarged prostate naturally, that you can do just from home. Do you believe that prostate issues exclusively impact elderly gentlemen? Well, it's time to reconsider. Prostate problems typically surface once you cross the age of 50, but for some individuals, these challenges can emerge as early as their 40s. As one ages, the body undergoes natural growth, and correspondingly, the prostate gland tends to increase in size. When this enlargement of the prostate begins to trigger inconvenient urinary symptoms such as frequent nighttime urination or hindered urine flow, you might be contending with a condition known as benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. Fortunately, there exist numerous strategies to support prostate health. To alleviate the symptoms associated with an enlarged prostate, physicians often recommend medications such as 5-alpha reductase inhibitors, alpha blockers, or a combination of both. However, it's important to be aware that these treatments may come with certain undesirable side effects. Hence, some patients explore home remedies to enhance their prostate health and combat prostate-related issues. If you're also seeking a natural solution that can be beneficial, we've got you covered. After conducting extensive research on the available home remedies, we've identified options that can promote prostate well-being. Typical prostate problems. Considering its modest size, the prostate has the potential to cause significant complications. Every man faces the risk of encountering prostate-related problems. The most common prostate issues encompass prostate cancer, an enlarged prostate, and prostatitis. Let's take a brief glance at each of these conditions. The first type, enlarged prostate, BPH. The likelihood of developing benign prostatic hypertrophy increases as one ages. Approximately 1 in 12 men aged 31 to 40 experience benign prostatic hyperplasia. As men enter the age range of 51 to 60, approximately 1 in 2 of them will develop benign prostatic hyperplasia. However, the risk of an enlarged prostate is significantly higher in men over 80 years old, with over 8 in 10 men affected. Failure to address an enlarged prostate through appropriate treatment can lead to troublesome symptoms, such as a sudden inability to maintain normal urine flow. Prostatic hyperplasia can also result in kidney or bladder damage and an increased vulnerability to urinary tract infections. Second type, prostatitis. An enlarged prostate is not the sole concern. Prostatitis is another potential issue. With an estimated prevalence rate of 8.2%, numerous men grapple with the challenges of difficult or painful urination. In addition to these urinary difficulties, they may also contend with symptoms such as discomfort in the genital region, pelvic area, or groin. This condition can exert significant stress on the urinary tract and disrupt normal urine flow. When left untreated, acute prostatitis can result in complications such as infertility, abnormalities in semen, urinary retention, and bacteremia, bacteria in the bloodstream. In the case of chronic bacterial prostatitis, the symptoms may not be as severe, but the condition persists over an extended period and could lead to urinary tract infections. Third type, prostate cancer. Prostate cancer unquestionably ranks as one of the most frequently diagnosed conditions in men. In fact, it stands as the most common cancer among men, aside from skin cancer. Approximately 1 in 8 men are projected to receive a prostate cancer diagnosis during their lifetime. Prostate cancer exerts considerable pressure on the urinary system, manifesting in symptoms such as urinary hesitancy, difficulties with regular urine flow, urgent and frequent trips to the restroom, and the presence of blood in semen or urine. Many men also report a sensation of incomplete bladder emptying. Furthermore, some men may experience a decline in their libido following a prostate cancer diagnosis. Erectile dysfunction can also ensue as a result of chemotherapy or other cancer treatments. Even the mere diagnosis of prostate cancer can be emotionally overwhelming and contribute to a decreased sexual desire. And in this video, we have summarized the top 7 ways to shrink an enlarged prostate naturally, that you can do just from home. So let's look at them one by one. Number 1, taking a warm bath or shower. Taking a warm bath provides a reliable short-term remedy for easing the symptoms of prostatitis. In contrast, cold water produces the opposite effect. Therefore, when aiming to alleviate urinary discomfort, opting for hot water is the preferred choice over cold water. Next, number 2, skipping spicy meals. Foods such as chili and hot peppers can irritate your bladder and exacerbate the symptoms of prostatitis. Therefore, it's advisable to consume these spicy foods in moderation to alleviate urinary discomfort. Next, number 3, drinking a lot of fluid that is free of caffeine. Consuming 6 to 8 glasses of water daily plays a crucial role in assisting the urinary system in eliminating toxins. Conversely, caffeinated beverages can irritate the bladder and exacerbate urinary issues. In the context of an overactive bladder, you can gauge your hydration level by observing that your urine is nearly colorless or light yellow. Number 4, avoiding alcohol for some time. Ethanol can hinder the relaxation of the prostate muscle. In cases of conditions such as prostatic hyperplasia, alcohol consumption can exacerbate the symptoms associated with BPH. Next, number 5, taking a comfortable sitting position on a cushion. Prolonged sitting on a hard surface can exert significant pressure on the prostate, potentially leading to inflammation. Ideally, it's advisable to stand up whenever possible. However, if you find yourself needing to sit for extended periods, using a comfortable cushion can help alleviate this pressure. Next, number 6, dropping activities that create a lot of strain on the prostate. This includes activities such as cycling, squatting, and climbing, among others. According to experts, cycling has the potential to exacerbate symptoms associated with BPH, chronic prostatitis, and erectile dysfunction. Next and final point, number 7, consume green tea. Numerous prostate cancer patients seek out teas as a means to alleviate the symptoms of their condition. Experts suggest that the presence of polyphenols in green tea makes it a suitable option for prostate cells, potentially contributing to the slowing of prostate cancer. Conclusion. When dealing with any prostate issue, whether an enlarged prostate or prostatitis, we believe that natural options are the way to go. With natural prostate remedies, you can treat your prostate safely with no nasty side effects. Along with these, you should have a healthy diet and decrease your consumption of red meat and processed foods. These will increase your hormone levels and reduce the effect of natural remedies. Okay guys, those are the top 7 ways to shrink enlarged prostate naturally, which you can do just from home. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss the latest health information from the Fit Health Info channel. Thank you for watching, hopefully it's useful, and see you in the next content.